Hey guys, it is Bizarrester here, and today I'm going to show you how to watch TV shows and movies for free on your PC using XBMC and the add-ons One Channel and Icefilms. This is fantastic for saving you loads of money, and the software is very easy to use. You can either stream your movies and TV shows using XBMC, or you can download them into a suitable folder on your hard drive. It is basically up to you. So first of all, you need to go into the description and download XBMC and the add-ons provided. So if I show you on Google Chrome now, when you go onto XBMC's website in the description, you will download the Windows version, because this is a PC tutorial. If you want to do it on the Raspberry Pi or Mac, you're going to go and find a different tutorial on YouTube, unfortunately. For Icefilms, you will just download the zip folder here, and for One Channel you'll just click on here to download the add-on. There's a quick guide here if you want to know how to do it, just very quickly from this little guide, but I recommend you watching this video as I can show you exactly where to go instead of them using just pictures. So once you've downloaded them, make sure you go them into a suitable place. As you can see, Icefilms are One Channel. I've saved them on my desktop, probably the most common place that you'd save it, so I would save it there. Once you have done that, you go into the start menu and we're going to click on XBMC. So when you open it up, this is what the basic interface looks like. You can change the skin if you want, so you can make it look a bit different, but I have changed it back to the normal one as it is for this video, as it will look like that when you first get it, but it's nothing to worry about in this video. So to look at the add-ons for Icefilms and One Channel, you click on Video Add-ons here, and here are One Channel Icefilms already set up for me. You won't have these at the moment as you need to set them up, which is what we're going to do now. So if I use the keyboard and backspace all the way out to the main screen, then using the keyboard, using the right key, we can go all the way to System and go to Settings. Then if we go all the way down to add-ons, and now we're going to install them from a zip file, so make sure that the downloaded add-ons are still in a zip file. Do not extract them into a normal folder like you would normally would. Just keep it in the zip file, otherwise it won't recognize it on the computer. So if we're going to install from zip file, then we go on to drive C, the operating system, that's where we're going to go. Then if we go all the way down to users, and then pick the user that you're on, so obviously Adam is the user I'm using at the moment, so I'll click on that. And then if I go to find the zip folder on the desktop here, go all the way down, and there they are, One Channel and Icefilms. So if you just go and download them, and then once you've done that, you can back out. It will pop up once it's done each one, and then you go back onto where we've just been and do the next one, and then you've done that bit. Next, this is where probably the most complex bit of installing the add-ons is, and then we're free to go. If we go on to Get Add-ons on this screen, and then if we go on to Anarkintosh add-ons, I pronounced it right because last time I tried to do this, I pronounced it completely wrong. So I had to do it all again. So Anarkintosh add-ons is what we're going to do for add-ons for Icefilms. So click on that, and then video add-ons, and then Icefilms is there. If you download that, and then it will pop up saying Icefilms enabled, and then that's Icefilms done. We back all the way back out, and then we need to find this repository. I'm not going to pronounce that in any way, I'm not even going to bother trying. So we'll click on that, video add-ons again, and One Channel plugin is there. So once you've downloaded them both, then they both should be in the video add-ons section like I showed you on the main screen before. So if we backspace all the way out, and then we can go on to video add-ons, and you should see them on the screen. It might look a bit different, but it should still show them. I've just changed it so I could see this how I wanted. There's a bit of customization there. So what I recommend with Icefilms on One Channel, Icefilms is fantastic for watching your movies because you get to watch them in HD 720p as well as a DVD copy. For One Channel, I recommend you mainly using it for TV shows as it has a more wide variety of choice and it has every episode of every season on there, unlike Icefilms. For example, on Icefilms with Family Guy there's some episodes missing, so that might cause a bit of convenience. So one channel has some films on there as well, but they won't be in HD, so you can have a look at whatever you want. That's just how I recommend. But Icefilms could give you some inconvenience with TV shows. Say if you just miss an episode because it's not on there, it's not exactly what you want to do. One channel definitely has every single one. I haven't had a problem with that whatsoever. So if we've got Icefilms, I'll give you a quick demonstration. So this is what it looks like if I go on to movies, and you can either look for HD movies, go on popular, which I normally do, so we go on popular and show it. Now the first time you use this, it will take a while for it to load up all the films in this category, but once you've done it the first time, it will remember them all, so it will take like a second for it to load, like it just did for me. So don't worry about it being really slow compared to what I've just seen. So on the popular, we have loads of films here. You might think it's a lot, but actually it's nothing compared to what's available on Icefilms on one channel. So if I pick a random one here, let's go for Toy Story 3, that's available in HD. So we'll go on Toy Story 3, and obviously we'll go on HD 720p, showing the Blu-ray disc logo there. And then we have a different variety of sources that you can use. So one unfortunately doesn't work, but on the next one normally works. So source 1 is probably the most popular and the most working one. So it's called VidHog, so we should click on that. And then it will just take a few seconds for it to load. Hopefully it doesn't get copyright on this, so it will just show it a little bit. And it will lag a little bit on the screen recorder, unfortunately, but when you do play it yourself, there is no problem whatsoever. So now it's playing. So we've got the cover picture here, the poster, and Toy Story 3, and then in 720p. So as you can recognise the start of it, if I skip it on a little bit, turn it up a bit on my speakers. My internet trying to catch up. Try that bit there. So you can go back and you can do whatever you want while it's still playing. You can press play here, and you can stop it if you want. So that's just an idea of Icefilms. So it probably did look a bit rubbish on the screen recorder, but trust me, it works perfectly. I'm going to backspace all the way back. And now I'm going to show you a little bit of one channel. Now when you're going through the menus, it's slightly quicker than one channel, but it's only for a couple of seconds, don't worry about it. So if I show you the variety of TV shows, I'm going to go on popular once again. So as you can see, you'll be able to recognise a lot of these. So The Big Bang Theory, How I Met Your Mother, Vampire Diaries, The Walking Dead. So if I click on The Walking Dead for example, and this recording at the moment, they're going through the middle of season 4. So if I click on season 4, so obviously we've got the first 3 episodes that have actually come out available, and obviously they'll update it ever since it comes out, which is very good. I'm not going to show you it unfortunately, so it just shows you a bit of the picture of what you can see from that exact episode, and you can choose whichever season you want. It's all there, and you can search for whatever you want here. And my dad's tried a lot of TV shows on there, and I think 99% of the time he's found every single episode, which is fantastic. And the TV shows he searched for from the 60s, the classics, so it is very good for finding a lot of TV shows. So that is one channel on Icefilms on XBMC. To close this, by the way, if you click the power button here, and then we just click on exit. If you click on power off system, it will turn off the computer, so make sure you click on exit, and then it should load up back to the desktop, depending on how long it takes for it to do that. So thank you very much for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe. Hope you enjoy watching the movies and TV shows, and I will see you in the next video.